How do proper and improper fractions differ in numbers? Have you ever wondered how proper and improper fractions are different? Understanding these two types of fractions can really help you grasp some basic number concepts. Let's break it down in a simple way. A proper fraction is when the top number, known as the numerator, is less than the bottom number, called the denominator. This means that proper fractions always representing a value that is less than 1. For example, fractions like 3/9, 2/3, or 7/11 are all proper fractions. These fractions show parts of a whole that are smaller than one complete unit. On the flip side, an improper fraction has a numerator that is equal to or greater than the denominator. This means that the value of an improper fraction is equal to or greater than 1. Some examples include 5/5, 7/2, or 12/7. Improper fractions can also be turned into mixed numbers, which combine a whole number with a proper fraction. For instance, 7/2 can be expressed as 3 1/2. Both proper and improper fractions fall under the category of rational numbers. Rational numbers can be expressed as the quotient of two integers, where the denominator is not 0. Proper fractions focus on parts that are less than a whole, while improper fractions extend this idea to values that are equal to or exceed one whole unit. Understanding the difference between these fractions is useful in everyday situations. For example, when you are measuring or dividing something into smaller parts, you will often use proper fractions. Think about slicing a pizza into pieces and taking a few slices. Improper fractions come in handy when you have quantities that exceed one whole unit but still want to express them in fractional form. This can be useful for measuring lengths longer than 1 unit or when combining multiple fractional parts. This distinction also plays a role in arithmetic operations and simplifying fractions. Improper fractions can be converted into mixed numbers, making it easier to interpret the quantity they representing. So, the main differences between proper and improper fractions lie in the relationship between the numerator and denominator. Proper fractions have a value less than 1, while improper fractions have a value equal to or greater than 1. Understanding these concepts is fundamental in the study of rational numbers and basic number theory.